In the past few months, average of 85% of real estate inquiry are looking for a ready for occupancy house. Sa totoo lang, talagang ready for occupancy ang hinahanap ng mga client ngayon. Katunayan, meron tayong isang client na luckily naka-avail siya ng ongoing house construction dahil nga wala nang available na ready for occupancy. Kaya ang na-avail niya is yung ongoing house construction. At this month, we have a good opportunity for you. For a minimum of partial down payment of 576,000, pwede na mapastart ang house construction ng 3-bedroom, 1 toilet and bath with car garage single attached house. At yung portion ng down payment ay pwedeng bayaran during house construction in 6 months, which is 49,667 per month. And meron din tayong installment option. Pwede mong bayaran yung down payment in 1 year to pay at 51,000 per month or 26,750 for 2 years or 17,667 per month kung 3 years naman. And the remaining balance, 16,747 per month through Pag-ibig Financing. At pwede nyo ring i-avail yung katabing lote kung gusto nyo ng mas malaking lote. At kahit alin dito sa payment option na ito, ay kaya mo na at abot kaya mo nang magkabahay dito sa Ilagan City, Isabela. Ngayon na!